डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम तुम लोगों के साथ द थीफ स्टोरी क्लास 10 का जो चैप्टर 2 में है उसका क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। ये स्टोरी है फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट, जो किताब है सप्लीमेंट्री उसमें है। तो इसका राइटर था रस्किन बॉन्ड। तो चलो पहले क्वेश्चन क्या है, पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है देखते हैं। हु डज आई रेफर टू इन दिस स्टोरी? इसका आंसर है इन दिस स्टोरी आई रेफर्स टू द थीफ। 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन में आ जाओ। व्हाट इज ही, कोटेशन के अंदर है ए फेयरली सक्सेसफुल हैंड एट। आंसर देखो, ही वॉज, कोटेशन के अंदर ए फेयरली सक्सेसफुल हैंड, कोटेशन क्लोज, एट स्टीलिंग एंड रॉबिंग पीपल। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज ही गेट फ्रॉम अनिल इन रिटर्न फॉर हिज वर्क? इसका आंसर, व्हेन होरी asked Anil if he could work for him, Anil said that he could not pay him. Finally, the agreement was that if he could cook, then Anil would feed him. However, Anil soon found out that he did not know how to cook. Therefore, he taught him how to cook and later how to write his name. He promised he would teach him how to write whole sentences and how to add numbers. Apart from this, when Hori went out to buy the day's supplies, he would make a profit of ₹1 a day. पेज नंबर 10 में आ जाओ, जिसमें रीड एंड फाइंड आउट, उसका जो क्वेश्चन 1 है देखो। हाउ डज द थीफ थिंक अनिल विल रिएक्ट टू द थेफ्ट? थीफ कौन था? होरी थीफ था। आंसर देखो, द थीफ थॉट दैट ऑन डिस्कवरिंग द थेफ्ट Anil's face would show a touch of sadness. The sadness would not be for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन में आ जाओ। What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। इसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर देखो। In his short career as a thief, he had made a study of men's faces when they lost their goods. He said that the greedy men showed fear, the rich men showed anger, and the poor men showed acceptance. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आ जाओ। 3 में क्या क्वेश्चन है बच्चों? देखो, Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? उसका आंसर देखो, बहुत इजी है। Yes, Anil had realized that he had been robbed. He knew this probably because all the notes were wet and damp from the rain. However, he did not say anything to the thief and behaved normally. आंसर हो गया। अब चलो नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 13 में थिंक अबाउट इट का जो क्वेश्चन है थोड़ा बड़ा है, हम जस्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। इसका जो बाकी जो पार्ट है तुम लोग किताब से मिला लोगी। What are Hori Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? इसका कोई हिंट दिया है और लास्ट जो क्वेश्चन है इसके साथ ऐड कर दिया है, व्हाट मेक्स हिम रिटर्न टू अनिल। ये आंसर थोड़ा बड़ा है मगर इतना कठिन नहीं है। देखो, हरी सिंह's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education changed over time. When he started living with Anil, he wanted to be literate so that he could become a more cunning cheat. Later on, there is a change in his heart. He wants to earn respect in life. Probably he is influenced by the calm in Anil's life. Although both of them depend on irregular sources of income, but Anil seems to be more satisfied. Hari Singh develops a desire to be a part of the civilized society. नेक्स्ट में आ जाओ, 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डज not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways in Anil different from such employers? ये थोड़ा पेचीदा क्वेश्चन है। जैसे देखो, हम लोग किसी थीप को पकड़ लिए तो हम लोग उसको क्या करेंगे, ज़्यादातर पुलिस के हाथ सौंप देंगे, मगर उसको क्षमा करना, पार्डन करना जैसे अनिल किया, ये बहुत कठिन काम है। देखो क्या है, अनिल डज नॉट हैंड द थीफ ओवर टू द पुलिस बिकॉज ही हैज पुट द मनी बैक एट इट्स प्लेस. इट शोज दैट he realized his fault. He wants to make amends for his ways. He must have felt guilty with himself. Anil wants to give him one more chance and therefore forgives him. No, in today's world, most people would not have done so, although it must be done, but such sort of patience and compassion are rarely found nowadays in this human world. टॉक अबाउट इट का जो क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखो, एक बात बता देते हो बच्चे लोग, इसका जो एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो है तुम लोगों को आई बटन में ज़रूर मिल जाएगा। चलो इसके बाद है टॉक अबाउट इट का जो पहली क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक पीपल लाइक अनिल एंड हरी सिंह are found only in fiction or are there such people in real life? ये आंसर थोड़ा सा कठिन है। देखो, no, I don't think that people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction. They are such people in real life also. Although such people are rare in today's society, if one is caught stealing, people will first beat him severely, then he will be handed over to the police. It should be realized that a human being is bound to commit error. One chance for reforming oneself must be given. This is the only way to bring anyone to right path. Punishing severely is not the only solution. Strictness can make them absolute criminal. Question number 2 में आ जाओ, do you think it a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Answer देखो, Hari Singh's observation about Anil getting irregular income and Anil's statement about his sale of a book to a publisher indicates that he is a struggling writer. He lives life according to the flow of money he gets at a given time. When he gets the money, he enjoys eating out with his friends. When he is having less money, then he even does not accept paying salary to Hari Singh. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आ जाओ. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Answer: no. I have not met anyone like Hari Singh, but the existence of such people is certain. A 15-year-old boy can be forced by circumstances to become a thief. It may be the need to feed the stomach, satisfy illegal addiction, to maintain health, to fulfill luxurious demands, etc. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में आ जाओ. Where is the story set? इधर ब्रैकेट में कुछ है. You can get clues from the names of the persons and places mentioned in it. Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? इसका आंसर देखो. The story is set somewhere in Uttar Pradesh near Lucknow. We can say so because the story mentions that there is a railway station for express train to Lucknow. The presence of sweet shops and bazaars also indicate it to be a decent sized town. No, the characters in the story do not speak to each other in English but probably in Hindi. बच्चे लोग यही ख़त्म करते हैं. तुम लोग पूरी वीडियो देखो और मेरे वीडियो देखते रहो, और जो लोग मेरे वीडियो में नहीं हैं मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, और तुम लोगों का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट करके बोलो. आज के लिए इतना ही. आज के लिए ख़त्म करते हैं. थैंक यू.